Okay, we have here is a old Squarebody Suburban of mine, and I've seen some videos of people removing the front doors because that's basically any Squarebody really, but the back doors nobody really has anything on, so they're basically the exact same. I've already removed a few things here. Grab this guy. So this guy chills on there like that, as you can see there. We got 2 screws that undo for that. We got 2 screws in here. Still need to get that one out. That'll be fun because it looks like it's pretty rounded out. I got 2 screws for the pole handle here, and then you got 1, 2, 3 down there, and then this thing should basically pull and separate. And the felt up here, I had one hell of an issue on the other side, so we'll see how much of a pain in the ass it's going to be on this side, and if there's any trick to it, I will show you. We'll see. Okay, well, I got luckier on this one. So I just put a screwdriver down on this side, kind of popped it up, pulled up on this, have the window all the way down in order to get it out. Once you do that, you can kind of shake the door panel back and forth and pull up on it. And you see it starts to kind of pull out these clips down here. This one's going to be a little bit tough because of that. But if you keep wiggling and pulling, you should be able to get it. Good luck.